want to shoot a quick video on how I was able to get a set of 5 Method 305s for my truck. Still have the stock beadlock wheels from the truck. They do need some cleanup on them, but I was tired of that black wheel look, and so I wanted to do something a little bit different. You can see behind me I went with the silver faces. So I went hyper silver on the face, put the matte black lip on there, kept the bolts on there the same, unpainted finish on there, and I think it gives the truck a completely different look. Having the black wheels on there are great. It looks good. It's a truck. It's gonna have that look, but I feel like everybody's got black wheels on their truck. So you want to stand out a little bit, so I want something a little bit different. So that's the methods. We got 5 of them, which you'll see. I have one that's still black. That's gonna be my spare tire that'll go on that one, and then my 4 original wheels. Plus, I have 2 spares of the original wheels as well that I will let go. So all in, the wheels themselves, I found them on, you use whatever methods you have and whatever you want to do. I really wanted these wheels. It wasn't something I was planning on doing. I just happened to be perusing Facebook Marketplace and found a set of wheels that were here in town that were close by, and I was like, hey, the price is right. So for 5, 4 on the truck plus the 1 spare, it was less than $600. It's a pretty good deal. If you look up what Method 305s cost now, brand new, you're looking somewhere north of $2 grand, including shipping and tax to get them. And that's not including install, obviously not including tires. I used my tires that I had on. Obviously you can see my stock wheels are there. Stock wheels in good condition. Mine again needs some cleanup. I have one that is in good condition, no issues. The others, this was an Oklahoma truck, so on the spokes themselves there's a little bit of corrosion that's bubbling up the paint a little bit, so that'll need to be cleaned up. But I've had somebody offer me $100 for each wheel. So again, 4 here. I have 2 additional, so 6 wheels that I'll be selling. So I'll get 600 minus the initial cost of the wheels I bought. I also have them refinished, was about $500, including install. So all in, I'm getting a set of methods on the truck, 305s again, for somewhere in the neighborhood of $500 to $600. So you don't have to, and they're refinished, so it looks essentially like a brand new wheel. It's not like it's a used wheel. It would have been free, obviously trading in my stock wheels if I didn't have to refinish them. There's deals to be had out there, so you can make the truck look good without having to spend $2 grand on wheels plus tires. So just wanted to share that. I'm throwing a couple clips. The wheels I did buy, these before I painted them silver, baby blue. Could have run those, would have looked a little interesting, but definitely would have been unique. I decided to paint them silver. It is a little close to the avalanche gray on the truck, but when it's in the sun, it pops. It looks almost like it's a machine face. So I'm going to run them like this for a while. If I do decide to change it, then I'll change them in the future. They're also powder coated, so super easy to clean. The brake dust and everything should come off pretty easy. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. Just wanted to share how good of a deal I got on this, and y'all can also find deals out there, and I'd love to hear about them. So when y'all hit that subscribe button, like I know you will, go ahead and throw some comments in there too, and share some of the deals that you found out there and how you got into them. So appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks. 4, got the stock wheels sitting flush with the truck, and we're gonna go in and pick up the new wheels for the truck. All right, getting the new wheels on. Got the backs on, still working on the fronts. I think it looks killer with those wheels. I'm keeping my old wheels. All right, new wheels on there. That looks pretty good. All right, getting the new wheels on. Got the backs on, still working on the fronts. I think it looks killer with those wheels. I'm keeping my old wheels. All right, the new wheels on there. That looks pretty good.